Infrastructure has significantly declined in quality over the past following years, with the federal government failing to address these issues. Overcrowding, congestion, increasing bills, outages, and reduced service standards do not meet the community's needs. It is clear that better built infrastructure could sustain the country's future and demands of the growing population. Farming is considered an essential occupation for the population's survival and can produce many valuables, including animals, plants, wool, and cotton. Although farmers work longer, strenuous hours, modernization has allowed farmers to produce goods with ease due to newly built tractors and machinery. This has led to reducing the number of farmers needed and greater efficiency in producing and transporting goods to businesses. Adaptations enable living organisms to cope with environmental stresses and pressures. Adaptation can be structural or behavioral. Structural adaptations are special body parts of an organism that help it to survive in its natural habitat, whereas behavioral adaptations are ways an organism behaves to survive in its natural habitat. Physiological adaptations are systems present in an organism that allow it to perform certain biochemical reactions. Considering their lingering reputation as man-killers, it's highly surprising that hackles are raised anytime someone brings up the idea of reintroducing wolves to the Scottish Highlands. Debate on this topic has been raging for years. Proponents would like to see the Highland environment return to its natural state. Opponents cite the animal's propensity for killing livestock. The Iliad is a poem written by Homer, a Greek poet renowned for his prose poetry and drama. Iliad tells the story of the last year of the 10-year Trojan War fought between the city of Troy and the Greeks, including the heroism and the betrayal of the people. According to the myth, the war initiated due to the Queen Helen of Sparta being abducted, which led to controversy and conflicts, including thousands of ships being sent out to war.